Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Lampang jong gayeng dorbar thawan ke jalla Meghalaya Thomas A Sangma haka kharbai terek unopra arjarpsan la Jurip ya ka assembly building complex ha maudiang diang ha kabala senran lang do usumbo lampang limison di Sangma bat ki he opsan na kitna trekam bapher ha kani ke jingle jongo lampang ula bishar bnya ya ki kam ki bedang ya chakhman kum ka jingpan khre ya ka jingra ke pre Christmas kabala bosi ban pelong ha ka khatkhandai terek unopra arjapsan ha ka sien ka beningkong ha kani ka complex jong ka yeng dorbar thawan Thymmai.
Today, myself and my Deputy Speaker and all the officials from various departments, we have come to make an inspection of this new Modiangdiang Assembly Complex. On the 19th of this month, we are going to celebrate the pre-Christmas program here in these premises. So we have come to oversee the progress of work, and also we have come to also to review and inspect the power line supply which is being done by the MECL the energy company from our state, Meghalaya. So we have also discussed the possibilities of getting the power supply connection at the earliest possible. And also we have also discussed with the Urban Affairs Department of the land, additional land. We have done some inspections also.
Satisfied, sir, with the job which is done today?
Yes, we are satisfied with the progress of work. So we hope that the work will be completed in the timeline which is given to them by the HPC.